Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy white Palomo. So this is a variation of white Paloma, but we're using Smirnoff spicy tamarind instead of tequila. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need Smirnoff spicy tamarind, grapefruit soda, and fresh lime juice. We're going to start with icing the mixing glass. 1.5 ounces of the Smirnoff tamarind. Half ounce of fresh lime juice. I'm also gonna do a pinch of salt. And now we're gonna rim our glass with tajin. Fresh ice. We're gonna strain it. And we're gonna top it out with grapefruit soda. And we're ready to garnish. All right, let's give it a taste test. Cheers. Oh, this is really good. I can definitely taste the tamarind. It's a bit spicy, but not overwhelming. Refreshing, and the best part, really easy to make. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And that's how you make the spicy white Palomo. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!